Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again to Madjid Fragrance channel for reviewing and describing fragrances. And welcome back again to another episode of Top 5 Fragrances. In this episode, we give you 5 fragrances, one of them fresh, one of them gourmand for dating, one of them for parties, and one of them cheap by high quality with high performance. And the last one is niche and it deserves to buy it. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe to get always our news. Stay tuned. Welcome back again. We're gonna start with Nautica Voyage by Nautica. Nautica is one of the best fragrances that belong to the line of woody aquatic fragrance for men, and the nose behind this fragrance was Maurice Rossel. Nautica is an American house. This fragrance was released in 2006 and it's easy to wear and it's perfect day scent for summer and spring also. This fragrance characterized by the apple in the opening, the green apple mixed with green leaves. We have also in the middle lots with the mimosa, and in the base we have cedar with oak moss, amber and musk. I highly recommend to use this fragrance in summer because this fragrance will give you a green mixed with fruity vibes and floral also, and when it's dry it's become more powdery, aquatic and woody. Nautica Voyage is a cheap fragrance. It deserves any million that you wanna cost on it. It have also a moderate to long-lasting longevity with powerful or moderate to strong sillage. Nautica Voyage it must be owned if you are a perfume collector or perfume lover. Nautica Voyage by Nautica. I choose for you also for parties Ultramar by Jean Paul Gaultier. This fragrance that was released in 2015, it belongs to the line of Ambery Fougère fragrance for men. The Ultramar is a good fragrance to use it in party. You will be unique if you wear this fragrance, and it's especially produced to use it in the night of spring, fall and winter. It's characterized by its opening. It's contain that pear notes mixed with lavender and mint with bergamot also. In the middle we have some spices like cinnamon, clary sage and caraway, and in the base we have black vanilla husk, amber patchouli with cedar. The Ultramar is a beautiful fragrance. If you want to know more about the line of L'homme and especially the Ultramar, I will let for you the link in the description describing this line. And also I made in this video some clones or best clone for the Ultramar, like Rams Latafa from Latafa and 9 PM from Afnan and Exchange Wonderman from Carillo. If you want to know more about this fragrance, just watch the video. Okay. Ultramar from Jean Paul Gaultier is one of the best parties fragrances. I highly recommend you to wear this fragrance if you want to be unique, and also if you want a high performance like long longevity and powerful sillage. Ultramar by Jean Paul Gaultier. I choose for you also Prada L'homme Absolu by the House of Prada. This fragrance belongs to the line of amber woody fragrance for men, and the Prada L'homme Absolute is one of the best flankers of Prada L'homme that was released in 2016. After that, in 2017, the company released Prada L'homme Intense, that beautiful fragrance mixed between the iris and the leather, and in 2018, Prada L'homme Absolute was released by Prada House. I be grateful because I buy this discontinued fragrance. Now it's overpriced a little bit. If you find it, just buy it. It's one of the best releases from this house. They mixed between the iris and also the cardamom. in the opening you can smell that freshness become from the bergamot with green mandarin and the cardamom with black pepper also, and when it's dried directly you will smell iris with geranium and cedar with labdanum also. Prada L'homme Absolute, one of the best scent. You can use it in many purposes. You can use it in the night, if you are dating, or use it in office. You can use it in any occasion. This one is a solid fragrance. I highly recommend to buy it. Also, if you want to know more about Prada L'homme Absolute, from the unboxing to describing the scent, I made a special video for it. You can check the link in the box below and just watch the video to get more information. I highly recommend to buy Prada L'homme Absolute if you want to be unique. And for the fragrance that is cheap with high performance is Midnight in Paris by the house of Geparlys. Midnight in Paris is the best clone of Armani Stronger With You. It's 100% clone of it with less price. Midnight in Paris belongs to the line of ambery oriental fruity aromatic fragrance. You can have cardamom with violet and apple also in the top notes. In the middle we have lavender with pepper, melon and ambery woods, and in the base we have cedar wood, vanilla with ambergris. Midnight in Paris is one of the best clones in the world now. If you love Armani Stronger With You, just buy this one. It's gonna give you the same scent with the high performance and the high quality from the opening till the dry down, and also it's more long lasting than Stronger With You from Armani. So Midnight in Paris, I made for it a special video from the unboxing till describing the scent. I will let for you the link in the description of the video. I choose for you also Bichhartman. This niche fragrance belongs to the house of Amouage. Amouage is a Middle East brand. They have a good or perfect fragrances from this house. It's Bichhartman belongs to the line of woody aromatic fragrance for men, and it has been released in 2017. We have in the opening the mint with galbanum and orange blossom. In the middle note we have vetiver with moss, and in the base we have woody notes with myrrh and patchouli. The scent gradated from green aromatic notes to earthy and spicy and also fresh. I highly recommend to use this fragrance in spring and summer, and in the day also. You can use it in fall with no problem. I have some friends that when this fragrance ends, they directly buy another one. Bichhartman characterized by its long-lasting to eternal longevity with strong to enormous sillage. Bichhartman by Amouage. If you have any experience with these fragrances that I describing to you right now, just tell me in comment how much it's cost in your country and how you feel with this scent. Also, for new people on this channel, please subscribe to get always our news. If you like this video, please give me a thumb like to let this video reach other people to help them get the right fragrance for them with less price. See you in next video. Thank you.